Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel 100 Ideas. Flower beds in garden landscaping. When the weather gets warm, a smattering of flowers and plants gives your outdoor space a springtime feel. With their pops of color and texture, flower beds easily shake the winter dullness of your home. This list of 14 beautiful flower bed designs can help transform your yard from boring to wow. Whether you want to plant flowers, herbs, vegetables, or shrubs, there are pretty flower bed ideas here listed for you. If you think plant beds are from grandmas and country cottages, think again. Flower beds do not have to be boring or predictable. On this list you will find gorgeous flower layouts, unique planters made from repurposed household objects, and designs using fun props. From old suitcases to unique cauldrons, all it takes is a little creativity to show your personality through your garden. There are also tons of simple and easy to make projects too. There are even ideas for raised beds so you never run over your plants with the lawn mower. Never fear if you have a small yard. Simply try one of the vertical flower bed decorations on this list. It's time to find your favorite bright and sunny flower bed ideas. Swan birch logos also make an interesting plant holder in this bed. The birch log, with its pale bark and darker markings, has its own beauty. Its planting of a red-brown ornamental grass such as Japanese blood grass, spilling ivy, red and bronze colors, and red azalea make it even more aesthetically pleasing. We hope this video was useful to you. Like it, write your comments, and subscribe to our channel. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel 100 Ideas. Garden decor can enhance the beauty of the plants in your garden. The accents you choose give your garden its style and identity. Garden decorations can be used to draw visitors to your garden, to call attention to specific aspects of the garden, or to liven up uninteresting areas. When choosing garden decorations, let your imagination be your guide. Typical garden decorations include urns, flags, gnomes, fountains, and even bird feeders. But you can decorate your garden with anything that strikes your fancy: an old bicycle, antique garden tools, a favorite rock, a handmade mosaic, or even an outdoor fireplace. Strong garden accents such as statue, urns, and obelisks can be used to draw the eye along a path, visually lengthening the space. This is a valuable technique for making small gardens seem larger and for creating an interesting view where there's not one. The garden can be a great place to showcase meaningful works of art. Sculptures made of metal, wood, stone, and other natural materials look at home in the garden. Some people even transform trash or other found objects into interesting and folksy garden art. You can use garden decor to create garden rooms for outdoor gathering and relaxing. Create living walls with hedges, flower borders, or potted plants. The floor could be either a lawn or a patio made of brick or stone. If the area lacks shade or shelter, put up a gazebo or patio umbrellas. Furnish the space with comfortable seating and tables. Various types of furniture in wood, metal, wicker, and plastic are appropriate for outdoor decorating. Use wrought iron lanterns or solar-powered fixtures to provide light after the sun goes down. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel 100 Ideas. Garden decorations and artworks, outdoor furniture and organizers made of old, rusted and broken gardening tools are wonderful ways to recycle useless items and give your garden designs and backyard ideas a nice artistic touch. Decorations made of junk and clutter are fun DIY projects that help declutter your outdoor spaces and explore unusual and interesting ideas for recycled crafts that will brighten up your house exteriors, garden designs, and backyard decorating ideas. An old, rusted, or broken garden tool, shovel, rake, fork, or hammer can be transformed into gorgeous garden decorations, sculptures, outdoor furniture, organizers for small gardening tools, and even outdoor lights, adding cool things to garden designs and backyard decorating ideas beside plants and flowers. Unusual garden decorations, organizers, and outdoor lights made of old gardening tools, tin cans, and metal buckets are perfect recycled craft to prepare unpretentious and pretty eco gifts that show your talents, resourcefulness, and creativity, saving money and bringing more excitement into your busy life. Creative DIY projects for recycling old, rusted, or broken gardening tools, for streaking garden decorations, artworks, birdhouses, functional outdoor furniture, and organizers are fun activities for teens and adults.